Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain what is tabs in MS Word and how to set and how to use these tabs in MS Word. And these tabs are used to write a text in a different columns. I am not talking about the paragraph, like how you have divided your document into different columns. That is, column option is to write a text paragraph in a different columns. But I am talking about the list. If you want to write any list in a different columns, then you need to use these tabs. Here, some list is there here. This list I wanted to write using tabs here. So here in a columns, what will happen? You can't able to write a serial number for that columns lines. In these tabs, you can add serial number for different list here. That is only the advantage of using tabs for different. Now I will show how to set these tabs and how to use these tabs. Here you need to click on this paragraph. This line and paragraph spacing option you will get in a paragraph group of home tab here. This option you will get in a paragraph group of home tab. Then you need to click on this arrow mark and then you need to click on line spacing options here. And this paragraph window will be displayed on screen. In this window, two menus you are getting: indents and spacing. Next one is line break and page break. In this you need to select indents and spacing, and at bottom left corner this tabs option you are getting. Click on this tabs option, and here the first option what you are getting, tab stop position you are getting. Means at what position you wanted to set this tab, that position you need to write here. What position you are writing means here one ruler you are getting. At what position you wanted to write that column, that position you can see exactly at in this ruler you can identify here. This column stop position is what? 0.5 inch here, and this column stop position is what? Not 4 here. This column stop position is what? 5 here. Why 5 is? Why 5 is? This column alignment is right here. So this column is starting from right to left, and this column alignment is left to right here. So this position you need to write at the stop position, and this position you need to write at the stop position for this column. Next one, what position I need to set for first column is 0.5 I need to write here, and here you need one option you are getting, alignment option. For this column alignment is what? Left. And if you want any zigzag spacing in between this first column and second column, and then leading options you need to select here. Now I don't want any leading in between both columns, so select none here and click on set to set the tab. Next one, for second column, what is the stop position? Exactly 5 inch. And what is the alignment for that column? Right alignment. So select right and click on set to set the tabs. And here you can see the stop position of that columns. This is the left tab and this is the right tab. And here keep cursor where you want to write the table. And now I will show how to write this table. Press the button tab to take your cursor to the stop position where you are set. Press on tab, automatically cursor will go to the position where you are set that tab position, stop position. And now I will type the text. Okay. Next, again you need to press the tab button. Cursor will come at the position of second tab stop position, and now whatever text you want to write, that you can write here. Okay, now you can see here, and take enter. Then again cursor will come to the 0th position of that ruler. Then take tab. Then you can write any text here. Then take tab, and here you can write the text number. And now again you need to take a tab, press on tab, and then again you need to press on tab, and then here you need to write the number. Take enter, press on tab, then write the text, and then take the tab and type the text. If you want to remove these tabs, then again you need to click on this line spacing option. Click on line spacing and then indents. Again you need to click on tabs here and then select what tab you wanted to remove. Select and click on clear to delete that tab. If you wanted to delete many tabs or else all tabs, then you need to click on clear all option here, and next you can take OK. Now you all might have understood how to use and how to delete and what is the tabs in MS Word. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.